Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is uh, that we are discussing the chemical properties of metals. We have already discussed reaction of metals with oxygen and water. Now in this lecture we will discuss reaction of metals with acids and salts. Now first, reaction of metals with dilute acids. Metals usually displace hydrogen from dilute acids. Only the less reactive metal like copper, silver and gold do not displace hydrogen from dilute acids. So when a metal reacts with a dilute acid, then a metal salt and hydrogen gas are formed. So let us take some examples. Metals react with dilute hydrochloric acid to give metal chlorides and hydrogen gas. First one is sodium metal. Sodium metal reacts violently with a dilute hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and hydrogen. तो यहाँ पर बनता है जब ये सोडियम रिएक्ट करता है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ, यहाँ पर बनता है सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन. Then magnesium, it reacts quite rapidly with a dilute hydrochloric acid forming magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. मैग्नीशियम जब रिएक्ट करता है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ, डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ, तो यहाँ पर बनता है मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. So when hydrochloric acid reacts with aluminum, it forms aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. Metals they react with dilute sulfuric acid to give metal sulfates and hydrogen gas. जब ये सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं तो यहाँ पर बनता है मेटल सल्फेट्स एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम, sodium reacts with sulfuric acid forms sodium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid forms magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. Aluminum reacts with sulfuric acid forms aluminum sulfate and hydrogen. Now the reaction of metals with salt solutions. When a more reactive metal is put in the salt solution of a less reactive metal, then the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. In other words, a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution. जो more reactive metal है वो displace करेगा, push out करेगा उस metal को जो less reactive metal है. We will take some examples. First is a reaction of zinc with copper sulfate solution. So when a strip of zinc metal is put in copper sulfate solution, then the blue color of copper sulfate solution fades gradually due to the formation of colorless zinc sulfate solution, and red bound copper metal is deposited on the zinc strip. So copper sulfate reacts with zinc, forms zinc sulfate and copper. When reaction of iron with copper sulfate solution reacts with iron, it forms iron sulfate and copper. So when a strip of iron metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, then the blue color of copper sulfate solution fades gradually and red brown copper metal is formed. Then reaction of copper with silver nitrate solution. When a strip of copper metal is kept immersed in silver nitrate solution for some time, the solution gradually becomes blue and a shining white deposit of silver metal is formed on copper strip. So silver nitrate reacts with copper, forms copper nitrate and silver. So these are the reactions of metals with salt solutions. Then another reaction is reaction of metal with chlorine. Metal is react with chlorine to form ionic chlorides. जब क्लोरीन के साथ ये रिएक्ट करते हैं तो आयोनिक क्लोराइड्स बनते हैं. So in the formation of a metal chlorides, the metal atoms lose electrons and become positively charged ions, whereas chlorine atoms gain electrons. मेटल लूज करता है इलेक्ट्रॉन और ये जो क्लोरीन एटम्स हैं वो गेन करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन. Sodium is a metal. Sodium readily reacts with chlorine to form an ionic chloride called sodium chloride. So sodium reacts with chlorine, forms sodium chloride. Calcium reacts with chlorine, forms calcium chloride. Magnesium, it reacts with chlorine, forms magnesium chloride. Aluminium reacts with chlorine, forms aluminium chloride. Zinc reacts with chlorine, forms zinc chloride. Copper reacts with chlorine, forms copper chloride. So another reaction is the reaction of metals with hydrogen. So when hydrogen gas is passed over heated sodium, then sodium hydride is formed. So sodium reacts with hydrogen, forms sodium hydride. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated calcium, then calcium hydride is formed. So calcium reacts with hydrogen, forms calcium hydride. So these are the chemical properties of metals.